Hey there, that's right, spring is officially here and it's time to refresh and renew our beauty routines with some great products I have today. Now we all know that stress isn't good for us and it can take a big toll on our skin. In fact, chronic stress, sleep deprivation, and fatigue all cause the appearance of tired and stressed skin. ELEMIS Face the Future 3-piece collection, only available at QVC with the new Pro-Collagen Overnight Matrix, is the next generation of ELEMIS Pro-Collagen anti-aging skincare with smart technology. This clinically proven overnight treatment uses groundbreaking drone peptide technology to target the signs of skin aging caused by stress. With a cocktail of seaweeds, it works throughout the night to help restore the natural balance to stressed skin so you can wake up with a visibly firmer, smoother, and more youthful complexion. This collection also includes Bestselling Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm and Pro-Collagen Marine Cream in full sizes and is only available for 1 month at QVC for this limited time saving of 72%. Get all 3 products for just $118, which is incredible because the value for all of these products is over $400. Get it at QVC.com.